Okay, so the last point in section 7.1 deals with finding the best point estimate, which we know is p hat, right? Finding the best point estimate, which is p hat, and the margin of error, which is e, when you are actually given the confidence interval. So when you are given the confidence interval, right? So you're given your lower limit and your upper limit, right? You're given both of these values. Basically, you want to go back and find p hat, right, and e, your margin of error. So to find or to calculate p hat, right, it's the lower limit plus the upper limit divided by 2. To calculate e, you take the difference, the upper limit minus the lower limit, and divide by 2. Okay, so an example, example 6. Express the given confidence interval 0.25 to 0.35 in the form p hat plus or minus e. So to express in this form, you need to actually find p hat and find e, right? So this is our lower limit, and this is the upper limit, right? And so to find p hat is directly in the middle of these two numbers, right? So basically you're finding the average, you add them, the lower limit and the upper limit, and divide by 2. So you end up with 0.60 divided by 2, so 0.30. To find your margin of error, you take the upper limit and subtract off the lower limit, and take that difference and divide by 2. So that's going to be 0.10 divided by 2, so 0.05, right? So to write it in this form, p hat plus or minus e, right? P hat we found was 0.30 plus or minus e, which is 0.05. Right? And to check and make sure your answer is right, if you add these two numbers together, if you add them together, you should get your upper limit, which you do. If you take 0.3 and subtract off 0.05, you should get the lower limit, 0.25, which you do. And that is it for section 7.1.